Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your DeLonghi portable air conditioner suddenly shows an E1 error code and stops cooling the way it normally should, it can feel confusing, especially when the unit seemed perfectly fine before. Sometimes the DeLonghi portable air conditioner may keep running briefly before displaying the error, while in other situations the system may stop almost immediately. This problem can happen because of temperature sensor issues, blocked airflow, overheating, or temporary internal glitches that interrupt normal cooling. Since a DeLonghi portable air conditioner depends on sensors to monitor room conditions and system performance, even a small interruption can trigger an error message. The good thing is that many even error situations can be solved with a few easy checks at home before thinking about major repairs. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a DeLonghi portable air conditioner E1 error code. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the DeLonghi portable air conditioner and unplug the air conditioner from the power outlet for a short time. Step 2. Clean the filter inside the DeLonghi portable air conditioner to help the air conditioner airflow move properly. Step 3. Check the ventilation hose connected to the DeLonghi portable air conditioner and make sure the air conditioner airflow is not blocked. Step 4. Plug the DeLonghi portable air conditioner back in and restart the air conditioner to refresh the system. Step 5. Place the DeLonghi portable air conditioner in an open area so the air conditioner can cool without overheating. Step 6. Watch the DeLonghi portable air conditioner display again and confirm the air conditioner E1 error code has disappeared.